Hey there, and welcome back to Say It Right. Today, we're tackling a word that trips up a lot of people. Massachusetts. So, how do you say it correctly? The correct pronunciation is Mass-a-Chew-Sits. Let's break it down step by step. First, mass, like the word mass, in massive. Next, like the short A sound in sofa. Then chew, which sounds like choo-choo from a train. Finally, sits, like when you tell a dog to sit. Now say it with me, Massachusetts. One more time, Massachusetts. Great job. Many people mistakenly say Massachusetts or Massachusetts, but now you know the right way, Massachusetts. So, what is Massachusetts? It's a state in the United States located in New England and home to cities like Boston, Cambridge, and Worcester. Did you know? Massachusetts is named after the Massachusetts tribe, whose name means at the Great Hill, referring to the Blue Hills near Boston. Spelling tip, it's spelled Massachussetts. Now that you've got it, you can say Massachusetts like a pro, whether you're talking about history, sports, or planning a trip to Boston. Thanks for joining me today on Say It Right. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and share it with someone who might need a little pronunciation help. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.